Assalamualaikum. Quick weight loss. With Amla juice. Lost 2 to 3 kilograms seconds in a week. Amla, or Indian gooseberry in one. Of the richest source of vitamin C. Rich in antioxidants. Speeds up metabolism. Amla juice is known to balance all the 3 doshas according to Ayurveda. Support immune system. Helps in reducing cholesterol levels. Helps to manage diabetes. Respiratory ailments like asthma. Natural remedy for citric allergy. Support liver function, flushes out bad toxics from the body. You can sun dry and then power them and store for longer period. You can make juice, sprinkle them on salads, boiled veggies, etc. Press. Add 1 teaspoon honey. Mix it well. Thanks for watching.